Caramel coffee. Recipe: 1 cup freshly brewed hot coffee, your preferred strength. 1/4 cup milk, or your favorite milk alternative. 2 tablespoons caramel sauce, store-bought or homemade. 1 to 2 teaspoons sugar, optional. Adjust to taste. Whipped cream, optional for topping. Extra caramel sauce for drizzling. 1. Brew a cup of your favorite coffee. A medium or dark roast works best for a richer flavor. 2. In a small saucepan or microwave, heat the milk until warm but not boiling. If you want frothy milk, whisk it vigorously or use a milk frother. 3. In your coffee mug, add the caramel sauce and sugar if using. Pour the hot coffee into the mug and stir well until the caramel is fully dissolved. 4. Gently pour the warm milk into the mug. Stir to combine. If you froth the milk, spoon the foam on top. 5. Add whipped cream on top, optional, and drizzle with extra caramel sauce for a fancy touch. 6. Enjoy your cozy homemade caramel coffee. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon and on. Which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget to check out the description.